OLCO Kids.
Hello, friends! Quiet! Shapes are everywhere! Can you find the purple shapes? Neat! Point to them with me! Ready? Steady? Let's go! One purple circle round and round. Two purple squares up and down. Three purple triangles point up high. Four purple stars twinkle bright. Five purple hearts hug them tight. Purple shapes, look around. Purple shapes, up and down. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3. Shapes are fun for you and me. Great job! Now let's find the orange shapes. Can you wiggle? Can you shake? Shake! Here we go! Six orange diamonds shine so bright. Seven orange rectangles left and right. Eight orange ovals nice and round. Nine orange hexagons tap the ground. 10 orange octagons spin around. Orange shapes, look around. Orange shapes, up and down. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3. Shapes are fun for you and me. Round and round, clap your hands. Up and down, where we stand. Point and smile. 1, 2, 3. Shapes are fun for you and me. Wow, you found them all. Let's say the colors together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Purple. Nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Orange. Now let's say the shapes. Circle, square, triangle, star, heart, diamond, rectangle, oval, hexagon.